Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is gravitational potential energy, the energy stored in an object due to its height. Gravitational potential energy equals mass times g times height. By the end of this video, you'll know how it converts to kinetic energy when you fall. Gravitational potential energy is the energy an object stores because of its height above some reference point. So GPE equals m times g times h, with m in kilograms, g in newtons per kilogram, which is 9.8 on Earth, h in meters, and GPE in joules. Three things. 1. Higher up means more GPE. 2. GPE converts to kinetic energy as the object falls due to conservation of energy. 3. The reference point is your choice, usually ground level. Common slip. Using G equals 10 instead of 9.8. Stick with 9.8 unless the question says otherwise, and don't confuse GPE with internal or elastic energy. Quick example. A 60 kilogram climber climbs 12 meters up a wall. GPE gained equals 60 times 9.8 times 12 equals 7,056 joules. If they fall back down, ignoring air resistance, all 7,056 joules becomes kinetic energy when they hit the ground. Use the equation to make V equals 15 meters per second. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks in maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged for each subject. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.